Hello, my name is Richard Reid, and I am the Regional Soil Scientist at the Central National Technology Support Center in Fort Worth, Texas. Today, I am going to demonstrate how to access historical soil surveys and historical soil survey maps on the new USDA NRCS website. These archived historical products are available from two sources: the Web Soil Survey homepage and from the USDA NRCS website directly. We will explore both sources. To access these products through Web Soil Survey, the first thing we're going to do is navigate to our browser and type in Web Soil Survey. Click on the first link that comes up to go to the Web Soil Survey homepage. On the left, under Browse by Subject, select Archive Soil Surveys. This will take you to the new Soil Surveys by State webpage. To access the historical soil surveys from the new NRCS website, type in USDA NRCS to your web browser, click on the first link that comes up, and go to Conservation Basics. If you are using a computer, and skip to step 3 if you're using a phone, go to Soil, scroll down and go to Soil Science, and then scroll down and go to Soil Survey. And we're going to select Soil Surveys by State. As you scroll down on the Soil Surveys by State webpage, you will see several additional documents. These include instructions on how to access historical soil surveys, how to download scanned soil survey manuscripts, and links to scanned manuscripts in Box. This video tutorial is intended to supplement these documents. With either method accessing the Soil Surveys by State webpage, click Link to Scanned Manuscripts in Box from the Additional Documents section. The PDF file Links to Scanned Manuscripts in Box is an index to the Box folders for each state. Let's explore the links in this document. Click on the link for the state you are interested in. For our example today, we're going to go to Texas, where I'm at, and click on the link for Texas. Now click on the subfolder named 1_index to files. Click on the text file and find the name of the soil survey you are interested in. For today's example, we are interested in Tarrant County because that is where Fort Worth is. So I'm going to use a little shortcut here and hit Control F, and then I'm going to type in Tarrant. And all of the Tarrant County folders are highlighted. So an important note here is that the path names for each county aren't always the same folder depending on the vintage of the soil survey. What I'm talking about here is this little section here, this subfolder, is Tarrant TX 1924 for the 1924 Tarrant County Soil Survey. Now for the more recent 1981 Tarrant County Soil Survey, the subfolder is TX 439, and this is important. Of course, for up-to-date official data, always use Web Soil Survey. The archived soil surveys are for historical purposes only. For directions on how to download a complete scanned soil survey, please refer to How to Download an Archived Historical Soil Survey Report. For today's example, we are going to download the Tarrant County Soil Survey from 1981. So I'm going to hit the back button to take me back to the Texas counties. And then I'm going to scroll down and locate TX 439. So another important note is if you are interested in accessing the entire soil survey manuscript, including the historical maps and index sheet, you can download the entire folder for the soil survey area. Here is TX439 as a zip file. You can then unzip the contents, and the primary PDF document should have all of the relevant bookmarks to take you to each section of the soil survey manuscript. And we're just going to go through that exercise right now. When I click on the download button, it takes me to my downloads on my computer, and I'm just going to download this as a compressed zip folder for TX439. And when it is done, I'm going to unzip the contents into that folder. Once this is downloaded, I can extract it to wherever I want to extract it from. I'm just going to extract the files to my downloads folder. Okay, so once extracted, notice now I have two files in my downloads folder. One is a zip file and one is the extracted folder. So if I double click in here, go into this subfolder, here is all of my PDF documents that constitute all of the Tarrant County Soil Survey historical manuscript. So you're going to want to go to the primary PDF document for the soil survey area, which typically is named after the soil survey area. So in this case, it's Tarrant, which happens to be at the very bottom because T comes after M. But in the case of like a soil survey area that was named like with an F or something, it would be at the very beginning. So I'm going to open this Tarrant PDF, and we have our 1980 Tarrant County Soil Survey. So if I want to go to any of these bookmarks, specifically the index to map sheets, you might get this little error message when you click on it, hit allow, and this will take you to the index sheet, to the atlas sheets, and then whichever index sheet you're interested in, you should be able to click on that. And so I'll click in there, and here is my historical imagery. So that pretty much concludes today's video tutorial on accessing historical soil survey information. Always remember that for up-to-date official data, use Web Soil Survey, and that these archive soil surveys are for historical purposes only. Thank you.